Hey guys, my name is Vilina and I'm a creative and special effects artist in Dubai. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the simple and spooky Halloween clown look using makeup available at Namshi. We're going to start by filling the eyebrows in with a bright purple liquid lipstick. Use a thin angled brush for precision. For eyeshadow, we start off with the color Triumph. I'm going to brighten that with the color Passion and then further deepen the outer crease using the color Botticelli. Using a wet brush to intensify the shadow, place the color Inspire all over the lid. To add some glitter, I'm using the Lime Crime Diamond Dew eyeshadow topper. And ta-da! Eyelids done. Finish the eyes, we blend the first two eyeshadows we used on the lower lash line. Moving on to the cheeks, I'm using a pink lip crayon on the apples of my cheeks and blending it with my fingers. Repeat the same for the tip of the nose. Intensify that by using the eyeshadow color Passion again by packing it on and blending in circular motions. Now I'm using two different black liquid eyeliners, because even a clown needs a wing liner. Carefully apply the felt tip liner to each eye. Then use the same liner to draw half outlines for the pink portions on the nose and cheeks. Now draw half V's over the eyebrows for that clowny look. Fill them in using black gel liner. And move on to drawing little half stars with the same felt tip liner under the eyes. Fill those in as well using a thin brush. Next up, fill your waterline with a black kohl pencil. And ta-da! The other eye is also magically done. For that extra flutter, add some big fluffy eyelashes. Place them on tight using a pair of tweezers and blend them in with your eyelashes using mascara. Highlight the bridge of your nose and cheekbone using this beautiful gold highlighter. If all the matte black gets boring, we can always use a shimmery black glitter all over the portions we filled with black gel liner to add a little oomph. Moving on to our favorite clown smile. Use a dark purple lip liner to line the lips. Extend it outwards and fill it with the pink lipstick to create a nice, creepy ombre smile. Using eyelash glue, we can stick some gems on the points and tips of all the black portions. Lastly, go back to your dark purple lip liner and draw an outline for the neck ruffle. Fill in either side with the purple lipstick we used on the brows, and then use the pink lip crayon for the middle section. Use black gel liner for the outline. For the most fun part, use pink and purple chunky glitter and place it over the corresponding colors on the neck using a flat brush and the glitter glue that comes within the packaging. We can also add some duochrome gloss on the lips to tie it all up. And we're done! Oh, wait, no. This clown wanted some skull teardrop tattoos, which we can achieve using the stamp liner. Don't forget, everything used in this video can be found on Namshi. And I'm off!